there are few things which Python don't support in OOPS are data overloading and protected access specifier. So in Python, we don't have data, not data. It should be like function overloading or method overloading. So in Python OOPS concept, these two are not there. Not supported. Both function and method overloading and acts protected. Protected access specifier is not supported. What is access specifier? Generally, there are three kind of access specifier that is available: public, private, and protected. Protected. These are the basic access specifier. But in Python, protected is not supported. We do have only two things: public and private. Similarly, we do a concept called function overloading and function overriding. So here we don't have the overloading concept. We do have only overriding. So Python don't support overload. This I want you people to keep in mind at the start itself. Okay, I don't want you to go further and come back saying that this issue. So protected is not there, so to the function overloading. Okay, so these are the two things that we're not going to see in OOPS concept, but rest of the things. Okay, so inheritance, single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance. Okay, and polymorphism, data hiding, encapsulation, access specifier. So everything we're gonna see in detail in our upcoming videos. Okay, so this is what the bounded class, the class with the constructor. Okay, definitely. See, whatever we seen in last 1 hour, right? It has huge impact. It has huge impact in your interviews because whenever they conduct a second round of interview, if you clear the first round of interview, in the second round, the possible question that you may come across will be from this class topic only.